Unleash your inner artist and watch your imagination materialize into stunning visuals with Leonardo AI, your gateway to effortless digital art creation. First, let's dive into the core of it all: prompt engineering. Think of your prompt as a detailed instruction for the AI. Be specific, instead of just a forest. Try an ancient, moss-covered forest with dappled sunlight filtering through a dense canopy of emerald green leaves. Leonardo AI offers several powerful models, each with its own strengths for realistic scenes. Explore models like Leonardo Diffusion for more stylized or painterly results. Try Leonardo Vision or Pixel Art. Selecting the right model is key to achieving your desired aesthetic. Now, let's tweak the parameters. The guidance scale controls how closely the AI adheres to your prompt. A higher scale means stricter adherence, while a lower scale allows for more creative interpretation. Experiment with the number of images to generate multiple variations and pick your favorite. But it's not just about landscapes. Let's generate a portrait. Try a prompt like a regal queen with piercing blue eyes, adorned with intricate silver jewelry, painted in the style of a Renaissance master. For abstract art, let your mind wander with a swirling vortex of cosmic colors, pulsating with celestial energy, emitting a gentle glow. Don't forget creative techniques like negative prompts. Tell the AI what you don't want. For instance, if you're creating a serene landscape, you might add no fog, no people to your negative prompt. Also, consider the aspect ratio to fit your canvas perfectly, whether it's for social media or a desktop wallpaper. With Leonardo AI, the possibilities are truly endless, from breathtaking photorealism to imaginative fantasy. You have the tools to bring any artistic vision to life. Start experimenting, push your creative boundaries, and discover the magic of a iPod art generation.